Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today we have an epic battle for you. In one corner, we have the cunning and tenacious hyena, known for its unique laugh and incredible hunting skills. And in the other corner, we have the majestic and powerful wolf, renowned for its teamwork and pack mentality. Get ready for the ultimate showdown as we answer the age-old question, hyena versus wolf, who would win in a fight? Let's dive right in. Hyenas are a unique class of animals that defy easy categorization. Despite their dog-like appearance, they actually belong to a separate family, and interestingly, they are more closely related to cats than canines. Among the three types of hyenas, the largest is the spotted hyena. These impressive creatures can reach an average length of 2 to 4 feet, excluding their tail, which can add another 10 to 14 inches. When standing on all fours, they can reach up to half the height of an average human. In terms of weight, hyenas can vary depending on the species, but they typically average around 100 pounds. However, some individuals have been recorded weighing closer to a formidable 200 pounds. While they may not have the front-heavy build of a bulldog, hyenas share a similar muscular neck and jaw structure. Their long front legs and comparatively smaller backside contribute to their distinctive appearance. Renowned for their hunting prowess, hyenas are known to take down mighty prey such as wildebeests. They are incredibly fast runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, and their remarkable stamina allows them to relentlessly pursue their targets. In fact, hyenas are often described as tireless due to their ability to track migratory prey. Remarkably, hyenas are also adept swimmers, displaying adaptability both on land and in the water. However, their true fearsomeness lies in their bite force. Although they possess the same number of teeth as humans, their bite can exert an astonishing 1,100 psi, enabling them to tear through flesh and even bone with ease. Hyenas are highly social animals that employ pack hunting strategies as a normal part of their behavior. It is not uncommon to witness a large group of dozens of hyenas working together to bring down a single prey. An astounding example involved 35 hyenas attacking and devouring a zebra and her foal. By collaborating in such numbers, hyenas ensure they have the upper hand, never finding themselves on the defensive. In situations where a solitary hyena is caught off guard by a potential threat, they possess a remarkable defense mechanism. They emit their distinctive and well-known laugh, which serves as a signal for reinforcements. This distinct vocalization can carry for miles, effectively alerting other members of their clan to join the fray and provide support. Hyenas, the largest and most widespread carnivores in Africa, dominate the landscape in terms of numbers. While they may not possess the same level of raw power as lions, hyenas are highly abundant across the continent. However, their presence does not grant them immunity from the competition and occasional conflicts with lions. In some instances, hyenas fall victim to lions, especially when disputes arise over a shared carcass. Such encounters often result in a hyena losing its life while the lion feasts upon its conquest. Yet there are instances where hyenas have proven themselves equally capable of taking down their feline adversaries, displaying their formidable strength and resilience. In certain regions of Africa, hyenas are perceived as pests. Comparable to how raccoons sneak into our garbage, these intelligent creatures raid food stores and pose a threat to livestock, leading to efforts to heavily hunt them as a means of control. Wolves, the largest members of the canine family, encompass a diverse range of more than 30 species worldwide. Among these species, the largest wolves can reach impressive lengths of up to 6 feet, including their tail, and stand as tall as a hyena, if not taller. In terms of weight, wolves generally outweigh hyenas, starting at a minimum of 80 pounds but easily reaching up to 160 pounds. Remarkably, the largest recorded wolf tipped the scales at a massive 175 pounds, showcasing their substantial size and presence. Wolves possess an impressive set of 42 teeth, with some measuring up to 2.5 inches in length. These mighty chompers allow wolves to exert an incredible bite force of up to 1,200 pounds per square inch, psi. Such impressive dental power adds to the wolf's formidable capabilities as a predator. During the hunt, wolves exhibit a keen instinct for targeting animals they perceive as slower or weaker than others. This strategy enables them to avoid engaging in overly challenging confrontations and instead focus on prey that is less likely to put up a fierce resistance. While wolves are also pack hunters, their group size is typically smaller compared to hyenas. A typical hunting party consists of 4 to 10 adult wolves, although in certain cases, the group size can expand to include up to 30 members. If their numerical advantage fails to deter a potential threat, wolves possess physical advantages that come into play. Their large paws act like natural snowshoes, allowing them to maintain control and mobility on snow and ice without getting weighed down. Unlike relying on their claws for defense, wolves primarily rely on their powerful jaws and teeth. The wolf's formidable bite serves to immobilize their prey swiftly, ensuring a swift end before the prey can effectively use hooves or antlers as a means of defense against the wolf. Wolves hold the position of apex predators, placing them at the top of their food chain. While they are dominant in their ecosystems, they do face occasional threats from other predators, such as mountain lions and bears, depending on the specific territory. The iconic howl of a wolf serves as a defense mechanism and communication tool. It not only helps announce the presence of the howling wolf to other wolves in the area, but also serves to delineate their territory. Although the howl is not specifically meant to scare off immediate foes, it acts as a warning to other animals, advising them to stay away from the wolf's territory. As a united pack, wolves can pose a formidable challenge to a bear, but it would be unlikely for a single wolf to take down a bear on its own. Ironically, like many apex predators, wolves face threats from humans. Hunters and poachers have been known to shoot them on occasion, while farmers actively protect their livestock from wolf predation. However, the gradual and long-lasting danger to wolves lies in the non-violent interventions of humans. The expansion of urban development and the impacts of climate change adversely affect wolf habitats, creating a decrease in their available living space. This slow-burning threat leaves wolves defenseless against the encroachment of their natural habitats caused by human activities. Hyenas are native to a significant portion of Africa, but their presence can also be found across the Arabian Peninsula and extending towards India, depending on the specific species. Wolves, on the other hand, inhabit various regions of the Northern Hemisphere, with their distribution also varying depending on the species. They have managed to establish themselves in large parts of North America and Eurasia, showing a preference for cooler climates due to their thick fur coats. Interestingly, there are instances where both hyenas and wolves coexist in the Arabian Peninsula and the Middle East. Recorded stories from this region have documented instances of these two predators competing for food, highlighting the intriguing possibility of an actual encounter or rivalry between them. While both hyenas and wolves exhibit pack hunting behaviors and rely on infrequent but substantial kills to sustain themselves, they possess distinct characteristics that set them apart. Let's explore the differences between these two remarkable animals. It seems that the odds of a hyena having to face off against a great foe like a lion is more likely and more documented than a wolf having to fight a bear. This suggests that the hyena is more adept at taking on an equal or greater foe. However, these conflicts can usually be fought in a pack. If the two fought each other one-on-one, final result is in a hypothetical one-on-one encounter between a hyena and a wolf, it becomes challenging to determine a clear winner based solely on logical reasoning. Both hyenas and wolves possess formidable characteristics that can be compared. Wolves are often perceived as stronger and faster, yet they may not utilize the full extent of their abilities as frequently as hyenas do. Considering their individual traits, a direct confrontation between a hyena and a wolf would likely result in a close and intense battle. Even if they were to engage with equal numbers in their respective packs, the outcome would still remain uncertain due to the unique strengths and strategies employed by each species. It is important to acknowledge that pitting a pack of 30 hyenas against a mere 6 wolves would heavily favor the former, but it wouldn't be a fair fight by any means. In any comparison or hypothetical scenario, numerous factors come into play, making it challenging to definitively determine the outcome of such an encounter.